Persian Dente from Golem, Albania. My name is Philip and welcome to our channel. We are the Wandering Honey Buns, and we started this channel so that we could show friends and family back in the States what our life is like here in Golem. The capital city is about 45 minutes away from us, and we are on the west coast of the country. The entire west coast of the country is bordered by the Adriatic and Ionian Seas. We are now at our condos, I should say apartments, Airbnb apartments. We're renting an apartment and renting a car when we need it. Just to kind of travel around the country to see if Golem is the place we want to be and see what other cities and towns look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you just a little bit of our area and our neighborhood, I guess you could say. So let's get to it. Alright, so up here is our, wrong way. I'll learn this thing eventually. That window right there is one of our balconies. And then we have another balcony that is off of the guest room. That is, up right there. So we are in an apartment complex. Our complex has 3 buildings, and let's see if I can back out of that. Okay. Our complex has 3 buildings and then a little courtyard in the middle. I like to call the fountain that I'm going to show you here in just a minute. Oops. Can you tell I'm not very good at this thing? Yeah. I gotta learn a gimbal. So this is what I like to call Fiona's Fountain. It does not have any water in it, and I don't know when the last time that it did have water in it. But this is where she comes to go pee-pee and shoo-shoo. Right there is an absolutely beautiful rose. We have quite a few of them. We also, let me go this way and show you some of the other trees that we have. Whoops. Let's go that way. Alright. So we have fresh lemon trees, or lemon trees, I should say. Some of them are not so ready. Some of them are getting more ready. And yeah. So lemon trees. And then all of these here are olive trees. And if you get up in the trees, you can see all of the olives. So we have two olive trees over here and a lemon tree over here, and then we have more olive trees over here. So let's take a walk and we will go One of the things that I like to do is just show people everyday life here. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm just gonna show you what it's like. So they have been doing some construction. Oh, I should have showed you that. I posted it on my Facebook, but last night I created a Wandering Honey Buns YouTube Facebook. Yeah, Wandering Honey Buns Facebook page. So that way I can keep everything in one place if other people want to join us. So let me get in the shade. If you go down this way, you will see the Elite Hotel and the Julius Hotel, and then there's a little bitty, let's see, can't see it down there, but that's okay. There is a market down there called Golem Market, and that is where we do all of our not all of our shopping, but our convenient stuff. So this is a pizzeria that we eat at. We have been here several times, and it's pretty good. It's actually good. So I'm going to walk you. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Might as well. So from our apartment, you can see that I took maybe a 1-minute walk, and there is the water. All right. So instead of showing you that just yet, I'm going to show you just walking around our neighborhood. You'll have to excuse the noise. They tore down an old building to make room for the new building. So I'm going to shut you off for that. And then once I get past it, then I'll turn it back on. You can see up here is one of my favorite hotels. The reason being is they've got those triangular style balconies in them. That is one of the hotels, and then that hotel in the distance is being built, and then you can see the smoke from between those two buildings, but that is where they tore down the old building. So yeah, I might just mute the sound through here. So the Elite Hotel, which is where we're at now, the Elite has pretty much closed its doors now that high season is over. We're here in November. This is November the 3rd, I think, 4th, something like that. But this is what's known as the shoulder season. Gotta walk you over here to this pen. There is a pen over here I wanted to show you. Only in Albania. You see those? Yeah. How about some turkeys and a couple of rabbits in a cage? Just one of the many things that you can see at the Malvina Hotel. Cracks me up. Come out in the morning and you can hear that thing going. So I'm going to shut up for just a minute so that I can mute the sound. Up here ahead you see the Market Golem, and I'm going to mute the sound for all this hammering and stuff, but I will show you. So here is another going to be high-rise hotel for the rich and famous. I know that y'all are here probably for the beach, but I'll take you on that in the next video, probably. The thing that I like about Albania is ever since 2019, they had a change in their building codes. So if you notice, concrete. Everything is concrete. And our Airbnb, concrete. We can't hear a thing aside from what little you can hear from the windows, which is not much. In 2019, they had a major earthquake just north of the port city of Durrës that tore it up quite a bit. And the government got together and they were like, hey, we had too many buildings and homes get damaged. What can we do about it? So they decided to up their standards on building. Scooters. Probably the easiest way to get around Albania. Why? Because cars are everywhere. Little cars, big cars, SUVs, Mini Coopers, Fiat 500s. And they're all wanting to go where each and every person wants to go. Driving here is unlike anything that I ever thought I would see in my life. I haven't ever seen anything in my life like this, even on TV. Driving is crazy here. So, let me get you out of that sun and off of that window. Right about there. And if you see the sign right there, apartments for sale. Those apartments are just 2 blocks off of the, well, technically 1 block off of the main drag from the beach. Alright, I'm going to end the video here and pick up on this main little street right here. This is where we come to get our groceries and our rental car and stuff like that. So, Fala Mandarit for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little short video, and I will see you in the next one.